In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Asana tasks directly from Slack. This process can significantly boost your productivity and streamline your workflow, making team collaboration more efficient by bridging the gap between communication and task management tools. So let's dive right into the steps you need to get started. First, you'll need to install the Asana app in Slack. Open your Slack application and navigate to the app section, which you can find in the bottom left panel of your workspace. Once there, use the search bar to look for the Asana app. When you find it, go ahead and proceed with the installation. This step is crucial as it lays the foundation for the connection between the two platforms. After installing the Asana app, the next step is to connect your Asana account with Slack. Click on the option that says Connect Asana to Slack. You'll be prompted to log into your Asana account, so follow the instructions provided, entering your credentials as needed. This creates the necessary linkage for your Slack workspace to communicate with your Asana account, enabling seamless task creation and management. Once everything is set up, it's time to start using the powerful command within Slack that links to Asana. In any Slack channel or direct message, type the command Asana create. This command triggers a form to appear, presenting you with several fields to input essential task details. In this form, you'll see spaces to enter a task name, providing a clear and concise identification of what the task entails. You can also fill out a description to offer more context or instructions, making sure everyone involved understands the task perfectly. Next, assign the task to the appropriate team member using the Asana field, ensuring the right person is responsible for completing the task. Set a due date to establish a clear deadline, and finally, you can specify a project where this task fits if your team organizes work through specific projects or categories. After you've filled out all the necessary details, click on the submit button. This action will automatically create the task in Asana, reflecting all the information you've entered in the form. The task is now part of your Asana projects and opens the path for further tracking and management within Asana's robust task management platform. And that's it, you've now learned how to create Asana tasks within Slack easily and effectively. With this integration, you can quickly translate team discussions into actionable tasks without switching applications, enhancing your team's productivity and agility. Whether you're managing ongoing projects or sprint tasks, this integration is designed to keep your team aligned and your work organized, all within your existing workflow. Happy tasking!